The day started with a cold splash as U.S. stocks had their worst week since March. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 both took a hit, falling 0.3% and 0.2% respectively. The reason? The House of Representatives went on recess without passing a federal budget proposal, stirring the pot of uncertainty with the threat of a government shutdown. Over in the bond market, yields retreated slightly, but remained higher than before the Federal Reserve's rate decision. A ripple effect was seen across the globe as Japanese stocks closed lower, while stocks in China and the UK posted gains. The top-performing companies in the Dow were United Health Group, Chevron, Apple, and Cisco Systems. On the flip side, the Walt Disney Company, Intel, Microsoft, and Goldman Sachs found themselves in the red. Goldman Sachs, in particular, was slapped with a hefty $6 million fine by the SEC for submitting incomplete trading data. As we moved into midday, the market movers included Western Digital Corp, Broadcom Inc., Ford Motor Company, Scholastic Corp., Paramount Global, Warner Brothers Discovery, and Disney. In the world of IPOs, ARM Holdings, Instacart, and Klaviyo struggled to sustain their initial gains. In the pharmaceutical sector, optimism was in the air as Seagen and Astellas Pharma reported positive results from a Phase 3 trial of their bladder cancer medicine. AstraZeneca too had reason to celebrate as their shares rose after positive results in a Phase 3 trial of their breast cancer treatment. As the day rolled on, the consumer discretionary sector found itself as the session's laggard, while the technology sector took the lead. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield decreased and the 2-year Treasury yield slipped. Boston Fed President Susan Collins and Fed Governor Michelle Bowman expressed the need for further rate hikes due to elevated inflation. Closing the day, the U.S. stock futures trended higher after the previous day's decline in reaction to the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. An acquisition worth noting, Cisco announced its acquisition of cybersecurity company Splunk for $28 billion, marking the largest ever buyout for the tech giant. To sum it up, today's market was a mix of highs and lows, with uncertainty looming in the political sphere and promising advancements in the pharmaceutical sector. It was a day that truly reflected the dynamic and unpredictable nature of financial markets. Until next time, stay tuned for more updates from the world of finance.